Fredboro Swift Plumbers. Video number 2 for address 722. Video 1 shows me performing the leak detection and discovering a leak in the wall. Video number 2 shows the water meter sitting dead still with the water currently on. We have no other leaks at this time, but we do have a weak copper plumbing system, so another leak can occur at any time, and a repipe is always recommended. I'm going to go over here and show you our repair. Here's our water damaged area, and show you we've got the water on, cold, hot water. It's all on right now. Meter sitting still. And let's go over and show you our repair. See our beautiful looking repair. And you see no leaks at this time, which is what we want. We rebuilt that manifold, and that's what we cut out of here. And if you look on the inside of that pipe, you can see what I'm talking about. The corrosion buildup, debris. The leak was right here on this line, and you can see it's just pitted on the inside. See all the buildup on the pipes, and that's why we end up recommending repipes on this. And I guess that's the end of video number 2. 2 happy customers, right? Swift Plumbers, Fredboro.